I'm Pete Arbor. I'm the coordinator of the Forestry Tech program at Algonquin College, Pembroke campus. We're up at Samuel de Champlain Provincial Park. The park has been rocked by essentially a downburst. Imagine hurricane type behavior, natural disturbance that has leveled so much of the trees around here. We're helping replant some of the sites today in collaboration with a number of organizations, Canadian Institute of Forestry, Ontario Woodlot Association, Forests Canada, as well as obviously Ontario Parks. It feels really good to be able to put some trees in the ground even on a rainy day like this. Trees love this kind of weather, so that works out really well. And we get to watch these trees grow, and we know that we're doing something good for the planet as well as anyone that would use our provincial parks.
John Pino here. I'm with the Forestry Technician program at Algonquin College, part-time as a professor. And we're here at Samuel de Champlain Provincial Park, where a major storm last year leveled a lot of the old-growth forest and really kind of hurt the aesthetics. But forests are resilient, and Mother Nature will fix things over time. But with a little help from us planting trees, we can make a difference too and get things accelerated. So we have a group of students from the Forestry Technician program here today, and with the help of Forests Canada and also Parks Ontario, we're making this happen. We have 7,500 trees to put into the ground, mostly white spruce and some black spruce. And they'll get planted on a really good day for the trees, not so good for the planters. But this is also a really great opportunity for the students to do something very special for people who have lost a loved one here in Ontario in the last year. This is also overlapping with the Living Memorial tree plant with the Algonquin section of the Canadian Institute of Forestry. And every tree that goes in, every seedling represents a loved one that's passed away, and it's honoring their memory and the wishes of the family. So all these trees are kind of double meaning, not just restoration of the park and its long-term aesthetic appeal and its ecosystems, but also the memorial aspect and remembering people who have passed in the last year and honoring their personal legacies and helping their family to deal with the grief. So a very, very special tree plant. And any of the funds that come with this are put back into forest restoration and education and forestry and basically making things good in the forest for all of our society and for the communities that are so dependent on forests, especially the parks community and people that love parks.
OWA is the Ontario Woodlot Association, and we support private forest owners or woodlot owners in the sustainable management of their forests. Today we're here supporting Algonquin College do a tree plant at Samuel de Champlain Provincial Park. So an important part of what we do is working within the forestry community, but also supporting young people who are getting into the forest industry so that we have folks who can do work for our members. And there's always a shortage of those people. So we like to support young people. If you like the outdoors, if you like positive people, for a lot of people it's a calling, and so it's a very welcoming industry for all different sorts of people, and there's different places that people can work. If you like to be inside or outside or in the lab or building things, there's different places for people, but for the most part people really enjoy working and are willing to help you in your career.